Hi, this is the YouTube channel for Math Contest Go Go Go. What I want to do for this channel is to build a platform for math lovers in order to make them discuss about different kinds of math problems. I will update a video about challenging problems every day. If you would like, please subscribe below. Now, let's begin. Today, let's talk about a new problem. A farmer has a flock of N sheep, where N is less than or equals to 2,100, while it's larger than 2,000. The farmer puts some number of sheep in one barn and some another sheep in another barn. The farmer then realized if she were to select 2 sheep, the possibility that they are in different barns are 1/2. Determine the value of N. First, to find the possibility, we need to find the eligible outcome, which is the outcome that fits what the problem says, and all possible outcomes. To do that, we can find the eligible outcome first. Suppose the farmer has N total number of sheep. And while he puts K sheep in a barn and A minus K sheep in another barn. So the possibility that he chooses different sheep are N minus K. Let's talk about all outcomes. When he chooses the first sheep, the possibility is N, and when he chooses the second sheep, the possibility is N minus 1. But the problem is, those 2 sheep are the same. So this means if you choose the first sheep first and the second sheep then, and when you choose the second sheep first and first sheep then, there will be 2 results, but in fact they are the same. So you need to divide by 2. This is equals to 1/2. To continue, this is equals to 1/2. So we use cross multiply and we can get this. And when we multiply both sides by 2, we can get this. What we can do next is we can take them out. This looks like this. And what we can do next is we can turn this into a equation like this way. And we divide the bracket. Is equals to n squared plus n is equals to 0. So 4k plus 1n is minus 4k squared minus n squared is equals to 0. What we can do in order to make him look like a quadratic equation. This is still equals to 0 because negative 0 is 0. This is a quadratic equation. If we want to find x, there is a formula. Note, we call this discriminant. If the discriminant is larger than 0, there will be two possibilities, the positive one and the negative one. If b squared minus 4ac is equals to 0, there will be one possibility, which is 0. If b squared minus 4ac is less than 0, it is unable to solve the equation, which means this equation will be unresolvable. So, we can plug this formula in. N is equals to negative b, which is negative 4k plus 1, which is 4k plus 1, plus or minus b squared, which is 4k plus 1 squared, minus 16k squared, because 4ac, a is equals to 1, and c is equals to 4k squared, divided by 2a, which is 2. Plus 8k plus 2 is equal 1. And n is equals to 4k plus 1 plus or minus 8k plus 1 divided by 2. First, we know that 8k plus 1 must be a perfect square. Because we can't say that there is 3.5 shapes. And we make the perfect square as a square, which means k is equals to a squared minus 1 divided by 8. and we plug the formula in. N is equals to 4a squared minus 1 divided by 8 plus 1 plus or minus 8 a to the power of square minus 1 divided by 8 plus 1 divided by 2. We place this formula into 4a squared minus 4 divided by 8 plus 8, since 1 times 8 is 8, plus or minus a. See, this is divisible. 8 can be cut by a. Well, a minus a plus 8, a minus 8 is already taken off. Plus or minus 8 is equals to 2. What we can do next is n. We can make n as 4a squared plus 4 plus 8a divided by 16. Which means that n is equals to a squared plus 2a plus 1 divided by 4. Since this is equals to a plus 1 squared, 2 squared, this n is equals to a plus or minus 1 divided by 2 squared. So which means that n must be a perfect square. If n has to be the perfect square, then we know that 45 squared is equals to 20 or 25, while 46 squared is equals to 2116, which is larger than 2100. Therefore, there are 2025 ships. Yay! Ships. In fact, problems, they have many solutions, and my solution is only a part of them. If you have more challenging solutions, please comment below. And don't forget, I will also post my problems there. See you tomorrow!